let's continue this plastic welding. Let me show you what we got. So we have a torch going behind me. We have our hose clamp cut to size, and we're gonna repair this area right here. And what's great about a hose clamp is that you can make this any shape that you want. So I'm gonna contour that just a little bit. Hose clamp is the best. Any shape that you want. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this all in one sweep for camera action and repair. So you don't want to melt it down. You just want to get it hot enough. Let it turn red. And then lay it over your repair. And then you see that the plastic melted right into this. Alright? And you can make that any shape that you want. That is not coming apart, and you can't peel that off. So you want the plastic to come through and kind of bond into these slashes into there. That ain't coming apart, and it's in an area that you're not going to see. You can use a MAP torch, you can use a propane torch. If you have a bigger area, use a bigger hose clamp. If you have a smaller area, use a small hose clamp. Just cut it down and make it whatever shape you want.